Đây, mình lên here, the only life, I guess. All right, let's go walk around Seattle Chinatown. I'm just gonna do a little quick walk today. I got another appointment to go to, so I'm just trying to get some steps in. It's like 4 years after, you know, the stuff that went on. Actually, it's a Saturday. It seems pretty quiet. I don't know. Is it always like this? Got a nice little breeze today coming from the weatherman here in Chinatown in Seattle. I think that's probably the main like entry of the Chinatown. I'm here at the Hing Hay Park. Yeah, I'm gonna walk right through here. So this is the park in the center of the Chinatown. Let me do a 360 without getting you guys dizzy. Man, it's cool. Everybody just here, just chilling. That's how you enjoy life, I guess. Seems really peaceful. Yeah, so this is it right here. But there's more, but I'm gonna end the clip here. There's no event or anything else going on, but just to kind of show I just want to show the Chinatown vibe. All right, see you guys next clip.